If you're building a grand X, you'll need to connect your two 8-foot midsections to create a 16-foot midsection, using these 3 plates and a glazing bar. Once you've laid your parts, they should meet in the middle with these 4 holes. You will need to release your braces and secure them again with this plate from behind. Slide your plate in between the sill and the brace and line up the 3 holes at the top. Now that our rear plate is in place, we need to attach our front plate. Line up the 4 holes with the 4 holes on the base. Secure it into place with your bolts. To attach the 2 gutters, use this plate with the wider face. Slide into place, line your holes up and bolt into place. Our final step is to attach the glazing bar. Preload a bolt at either end. Drop your glazing bar into place. Just remember, the end with the rubber cut short sits underneath the gutter. Nip up your bolts with your 10mm spanner and then your 16-foot side is done.